Earth. It's what we live on. All of our activities, our livings, every single thing that a human has done, it's all on our one little planet. Our resources are finite though. We are entering into a global extinction where all of our resources are being used up and expended until there is no more. This leaves scientists scrambling to find an answer to this problem, which leads to a new revolution called green chemistry, using chemicals in our everyday life that are less harmful to the environment than ever before. So many of you might be wondering, what is green chemistry? Well, that's what I'm here to tell you about. Green chemistry originated from the realization that our ways and the chemicals that we are using are not the most practical and produces an unnecessary amount of waste. What the act of green chemistry is taking these chemicals, then figuring out ways to greatly reduce this impact that we have on the earth and figure out better processes on making these chemicals to further inhibit the amount of waste that we use. In the short clip that I'm going to show you, researchers from McGill University say that all of these processes of making our chemicals can be greatly reduced.
Unlike any other scientific topic that I'm aware of, it impacts on all of us every day. 97% of everything that we touch, that we do, that we work with in our daily lives has had a chemical process associated with it, or is actually a chemical material.
With that said, it's just about time that we've started to implement this task. Our Earth is vastly disappearing, almost to the point of no return. Starting in 1980, the United States Environmental Protection Agency, EPA for short, has taken initiatives to propel this notion forward and get a jump start in making our chemicals less wasteful.
One of the things that we do best at EPA is finding innovative solutions to real-world problems. That's what green chemistry is about. The research that we do has to be focused on the needs of the country.
With all of this stuff going on, scientists need to make sure that everything is of the best quality and still as sustainable as before. This leads to the system that scientists use, which are the green chemistry principles. There is many of them, so I will touch upon the two main ones, which are prevent waste and to ensure sustainability throughout the product lifespan. The biggest point of green chemistry is to prevent waste, making things more efficient. In this video, the EPA touches upon how crucial it is to try and limit as much waste as we can from making our chemicals. While we are developing new chemicals, we want to make sure that we can protect the health of humans and the environment.
Now, with all of those accomplishments, there's been one piece that kind of been missing. And that piece is ensuring that while we achieve those goals, we also don't cause harm to human health and the environment. That's what green chemistry is all about.
One of the second biggest points that goes with keeping the environment safe is to ensure that the product you have will stay sustainable throughout the lifespan. The whole point of green chemistry is making sure that whatever chemical you are trying to make, the integrity of this product stays the same.
The green solutions to problems very, very often, if not invariably, also lead to an economic benefit.
This also falls in place with the application of it, as scientists are also looking for ways to strengthen materials too. One of the biggest advances with green chemistry is the use of carbon dioxide and other abundant chemicals to help reduce the 6:30-to-1 ratio of materials that it takes to make one computer chip.
Plastic bags are hard to recycle because chemically different polymers cannot be mixed together. Thus, the product you make out of it is not a good product. So what we did is we have a upscaling approach where we take the plastic bags and scaled off, making highly valuable product out of it.
With that said, thank you for watching this presentation. And I hope that you took something away with it about how green chemistry really is the future of our sustainability.